February 7th, 322. I'm going to show you how to make a 4 to 8 week wine kit in 1 week, maybe 8 days maximum. That's what it says here. You can read that. And my other hint is, if you want to add the oak to this white wine package, you can. I simply roll it in cheesecloth so that a lot of the stuff doesn't get out, and then you add boiling water so all the flavor comes out. Let that sit overnight before you add it to the batch. Now, I've already taken the bentonite, which is what helps the yeasting program. You can see that there. I typically will put so the bentonite, which you probably can't see here, I add to the bottom, but I add warm water to it so it dissolves it better, so it's finally dissolved before I add it to the wine kit. Now I'll add the wine kit and I'll bring it back up here and then I'll show you what else I do. So here's my batch of wine all ready to go. The perfect brewing temperature. The perfect brewing temperature should be about 70 degrees, if you can see that. And I'm right at 70. So like I said, I put warmer water in here, not cold water, to get it going, because it has to brew at 70 degrees. That's what they want. One of the tricks I use is an aquarium heater. I'll put this aquarium heater in here, plug it in. This is set for 70 degrees. The yeast kit to it now. And what I also do is I'll add about a third more of another package to it to make it get yeast brewing quicker. There you go. And the last thing I'll do, because I'm in a basement down here, is I'm going to wrap it up in a blanket and let her go. Okay, we'll see where we are tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. As long as the temperature stays the same, we'll show you how much it's already started brewing, and we'll see what we get. Thank you. So here we go, day one. This is about 14 hours later. And as you can see, the temperature is not quite 70. It's about 62. But if you take a look in here, you'll see that there's lots of stuff brewing in the first day. So we'll see what happens now tomorrow. So it's 5:37, day 2. So here on day 2, we'll take a look at the thermometer, and as you can see that the temperature is it's getting higher. It's just under 70, and this is now day 2. And take a look, all the yeast is brewed up already. So I'm going to check the alcohol content of this tomorrow, and we'll see. The brewing is stopped. We'll see what we got for alcohol content temperature or volume. Okay, it's almost 7 o'clock in the morning. I didn't film last night. I had something else to do. Elfster here has kept an eye on the wine because we have a cat in the house, and if you remember this TV series Elf, he used to love dining on cats. So I kept him up here where it's safe and in this, and nobody comes after the wine kit.
I showed you last time, the yeasting process kind of stopped. Now it's just building up inside here to create more alcohol. So we're going to test that in a second. And you can kind of tell there it's very close to 70 degrees, so the great. And we're about 1.3. Trying to get it down to 1 alcohol content, which will put you about 11% roughly. So I'll try this afternoon or tomorrow morning at the same time and see where we are. As you can see by the date, today's day 6, the morning of, not quite day 6. So we're now going to test to see if this alcohol content has reached the 1 point, and start draining it out to get rid of the sludge in there. We can see that yes, it is right at 1. So now it's time to start draining everything. So this is day 5.5. Sorry, earlier I forgot to turn the sound on. So as you saw, by the indicator, the alcohol content is at the 1 mark, which is perfect because that's around 11%. And I will now take the heater out. I'll take the heater out, wash it, clean it, and then this will be drained into another bucket to get rid of most of the sediment. After that, this afternoon, I will do it one more time, and then I'll hit it with the stuff to kill the brewing process. Thank you. Right, Elf? Yeah, he agrees. He's waiting to have his first sip. As you can see, it's 9 o'clock in the morning here, and it's Tuesday, so it's 1 week since I started brewing this kit. I've just drained it from there, and as you can see, old Elf here. And as you can see, old Elf here has been keeping an eye on me, and I've just been draining it out, and I've drained it into there. And now I did it yesterday afternoon, and so this is the 3rd time, so most of the sludge is gone. I'll show you if I can. Yeah, there's still a fair bit in there, if you can see that. But I'm going to hit it with the sulfites to kill the brewing process. And then we stir it for a couple of minutes. And then this afternoon I will drain it out again. And then tomorrow morning, if it looks decent, then I will hit it with the neutralizing agents, the Kaolin and Kerosene or whatever they call this stuff. I'll figure that out tomorrow. What the hell? I might as well do a workout while I'm doing this. Give me something to do. It's the winter here, so we can't go outside and do much. So as you can see, Elf's just keeping an eye on everything here. If you look really closely at the mixture, it is very clear. But we're going to hit it with the Keosil next, and then the Chielts in after in about 20 minutes, and then we should be very close to being done. You see here, down inside there. See, it's pretty clear. Okay, so it's almost 6 o'clock in the morning here. This is the start of day 8. And we've drained the water. We started draining it earlier, now we're done. Okay, so now we're going to put in the keel cell, which is one of the last steps. In about 20 minutes, I will put in the Chilton, which clears all the sediment out and drops it out of here. And then either tonight or tomorrow morning, we'll be done, and we'll check it out. This is the last step, adding the Chilton. And if you always remember this, K before C, unlike the alphabet, which is the other way around. Okay, 5:48. You see November 16th. This is 8 days after I started it. 8 days after I started this batch. And as you can see here, it says 4 to 8 weeks to make a batch of wine. So it's all drained into here, and this is what it looks like after 8 days. Looking pretty good. Yeah, nice and dry. This is a 7-year bunk, by the way. If you have any questions about how I made it, what to do, if you run into problems, there's my email. If you really enjoyed the video, I usually am a kind of crazy off-the-wall author. I have about 12 published novels out there. I've 80 short stories published and accepted around the world. I've done over a dozen live interviews. So, like and subscribe button to my channel. Hit the like and subscribe button to my channel, and check out other videos, mostly about writing off-the-wall, funny, crazy ideas I get. And go from there. Enjoy. I know I will.